Hello student, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Now we start the revision class and the first unit is electrostatic. Now electrostatic is divided into two parts. The first is electricity and the second is static. The electricity which is static, which cannot be transferred from one place to another place or which cannot be conduct, that electricity is called electrostatic. Now when we rubbed two different bodies, then the electric charge is originate. One body is get positively charged and the another body get negatively charged. When we rub two different bodies, then the charge can be originate. One body get positively charged and another body get negatively charged. Now the process of rubbing is called friction. So such type of electricity is also called frictional electricity. Now the process of rubbing. Now I think you just imagine that these are two different bodies, okay? And when rub two different bodies with each other, then the electricity is originated. Suppose it get positively charged and it get negatively charged. Now the charge acquired by the body is depend upon the work function. The body which work function is less loses electron first. The body which work function is less loses electron because the work function is what? The minimum amount of energy required by the electron to liberate the metal surface is called work function. The minimum amount of energy which required by the body to liberate electron first. Now when we take two different bodies, then the work function of one body is less and the work function of another body is high. The work function of one body, the body is less which lose electron first. जिस बॉडी का वर्क फंक्शन आपको कम होगा वो सबसे पहले जो है आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज करेगी and that electrons enters in the surface area of another body. The body which get electrons, which accept electron get negatively charged and its mass slightly increases. That is because it get electrons. Now the body which accept electron get negatively charged and its mass slightly increases, and the body which lose electron suppose the body which lose electron get positively charged and its mass slightly decreases. So charge is related with mass. Okay. Now after that we discuss about electrostatic induction. What is electrostatic induction? When we brought a charged body near the uncharged body, then the equal and opposite amount of charge is induced on the surface of uncharged body, and such phenomenon is known as electrostatic induction. What do you mean by uncharged body? The uncharged body is that which have equal amount of positive and negative charge, and we move a positively charged body, then the like charge repel each other and the unlike charge attract each other. repel each other and attract each other. Attract each other. Now, result of it, the negative charge is induced in this phase and the positive charge is induced at the other phase. After that, we discuss the later things. Okay, student, goodbye.